What's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. Just gonna do a little unboxing. Got another shipment from SpraygunsDirect. So let's crack this baby open and see what we got. The old W400 Iwata. Then I got a cup since I lost my primer cup gun. So let's open this baby up. See, check it out. My first nice new gun. Pot. Comes with a nice spanner with all different sizes. Never had a big nice one like that. And just a filter and some cleaning tools. And here it is. The Iwata W400 Bellaria. I got the 1.3. Feels really nice in the hand. It's got that really nice Iwata finish that makes your guns really easy to clean up. Sweet, very excited. This is my first nice full-size gun. So excited to put this baby to use and hopefully do a video on it coming up soon. So that's all I really had today. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.